Evening, how are you doing all? I hope that all will be doing great. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about are you enjoying your learning English language journey or not? In this video, I'm going to talk that how can you enjoy your journey because most of the learner they are not enjoying their English language journey because they wait for the moment when they will be fluent in this language. So then that day they will enjoy this journey. They will enjoy speaking English language when they will have knowledge about this language. So in this video I'm gonna talk about it, and if you're thinking that you are not enjoying this journey, you are not feeling that you are very happy with the English language, so this video is for you. Because I have decided, before creating this video I was thinking that on which things I must make any video. So suddenly I came to know these things that was I enjoying this journey or not. So I thought about it, and after that I thought that I must share these things with all of you. So without talking about any other topic, let's talk about today's topic, guys. My main motto is that to make you feel that you can enjoy this journey, you can really enjoy this English language. Please do not be very serious to learn this language. It's a language, right? It is a language, and treat these things as a language, because if you treat these things as a language, so definitely by listening, by watching videos, by talking with people, you will improve gradually. But if you treat these things as a barrier that I have to do this, I have to break this kind of this big mountain, if you are creating this English language as a mountain, and if you are thinking that I need to crack this, I need to break this, so while thinking at you are just keep thinking about it, and by thinking a lot of times about these things, you are creating a thoughts in your mind that this is very blunder for you, this is very big deal for you. You know what, whenever we feel free, so that time even if we don't have anything for thinking, but we think about another things, and while thinking about that things we make that things very blunder, and because of that we feel like sad, we feel frustrated because of thinking about that things. so please do not think a lot of time about this English language. Treat these things as a language. And one thing, guys, how can you enjoy this journey? Let me share my journey. Let me explain something about my journey. If you really wanna improve your English as well as while learning this language, if you want to feel comfortable, if you want to enjoy this English language, so what can you do? For doing practice and for improving your English, just take some time for talking to you. In that moment you can talk to you, you can enjoy, you can speak as you want to speak, just by using English words. Sometimes, whenever we talk with a stranger in English language, so that time we have to talk, and we need to talk with proficiency, not proficiency but professional, we have to talk. Feel that we are not like comfortable with this language, because that time we do not apply our main accent, we don't apply our accent, and we think that, oh my god, which accent I'm applying. We feel that, suppose that you can take any example, that if you go somewhere with your family, with your members, with your friends, anywhere you go, but if you meet someone, so that time you talk as they want to listen, you don't talk as you speak every day, as you want to talk, you don't according to that person. And likewise in English also, whenever we talk with people, so according to according to them, their level, according to their knowledge, we talk with them according to that person. Is it right? Do you think about it? Is it my perspective? Whenever I talk with people, I talk as they want to listen, as they want to listen, I speak with them. So in the same way you will have to apply, because whenever we talk with people as according to other people, so that time we do not feel like very enjoy things, we do not feel that I'm talking because we don't speak as we want to speak. So take some time for talking to yourself. In that moment, in that time, you can take your own accent, you can talk according to your accent, according to your heart, according whatever you want to say. At that time you can share everything. That time you will enjoy that, yes, I'm talking as I want to speak, as I want to talk. That time you can share everything according to your wish. Okay, so this is the way that I was doing when I was feeling fed up while learning this language, when I was feeling very frustrated while learning this language, when I was not getting anything. So that time I was feeling very frustrated and I was applying this method. I was sitting somewhere else alone, and I started talking to myself. I kept talking to myself till that moment when I was not feeling that, yes, now I'm free, I'm comfortable, I'm ready to learn this language again further. So just enjoy your journey with yourself. Please do not wait for someone. Yes, if you are doing your practice with someone else, so that time you will talk according to that person, but do not what can I say here, that please do not leave your patience, please do not leave your accent. Accent is main things, okay? Please do not leave your accent, just talk with yourself in your accent, but not every time, because if you talk to yourself every time in your accent, so your accent may be different, must be different, because if I, you can feel my words, I'm from Chhattisgarh, so my accent is different. And most of the time whenever I try to talk with people, with a stranger in English, they only thing they have suggested me that please improve your accent, you speak your local language accent you use, please to change this accent. I'm trying my level best to change my accent, but it is our childhood accent, so it will take time, and obviously it will take time. So guys, I hope that you got something from this video. This was the thing that I really wanted to share, and this is a random video. And before creating this video, I was not thinking about making any video, because I was studying, but I thought that my mobile data will waste if I don't upload any video. So I thought that I must talk to you in English. I must share something what I have. And if you like my, if you learned something from this video, so it's your turn to please like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that you could connect with me and we could connect to each other. Okay, so guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.